Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Arsalan and today we are on day 71 of solving the object-oriented programming questions with the help of Python. If you are very new to this channel, very new to this playlist, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. In this playlist, we have been solving questions based on object-oriented programming. We started from a very basic question from day 1 and then we have been increasing the bar and difficulty level like anything. So far, we have discussed so many concepts, so many logic of object-oriented programming, including encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, etc. etc. Now, we will be just doing question based on abstraction. And if you are very new to this concept of abstraction, let me give you a very brief introduction of abstraction. And I have already discussed this abstraction concept in my previous tutorial on day 70th. So please watch my previous tutorial on day 70th and you will be able to know the concept of abstraction. I have discussed it in detail. So let's get back to the question and start solving this question. And just before starting to solve this question, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So the question says create an abstract class animal with an abstract method make sound. Create two subclasses dog cat that inherit from animal and provide their own implementations for make sound. So first of all, let's just first of all create classes, then we can just implement the abstraction part. So first of all, let's create classes that include first of all a class, parent class as an animal class, and then we have a function called make sound, and in this we will be just saying a pass value. We will be just passing a value, and after this we will be creating two child classes. So child class dog, and to create a child class called dog, I will be just writing class animal here, class the name of the class is dog, and close it by parenthesis, and inside those parentheses I will be putting the name of the parent class, that is animal. After doing this, I will be just seeing that def return. I will be just overriding the method which I created in my animal class, that is make sound, and right now I will be just returning something else. I will be returning something else, and the thing I will be returning here is in fact I will be printing it here, and I will be saying that the sound of the animal is woof. Now I will be just creating another class, and class cat, and after doing this I will be just writing the name, and the method of the name is make sound again, and I will be just copy pasting this and copy pasting it here, and just changing one thing from woof to mew. And after doing this, what I will be just doing here is that I'm just gonna tell you that one more thing I will be just putting it here, and then we can discuss the abstraction part. Now cat. Now after this all part which we have done right now is already been done, is already been understood by us and already been discussed in detail, and from the last many of the classes we have been just doing these types of question, and you might be getting bored if you just did this part, because this part is very easy. Now the abstraction part come here, that what is abstraction now here. So to include the abstraction here, they are saying that create two subclasses dog and cat that inherit from animal and provide their own implementation for make sound. So first of all, let's just do the thing which we were doing previously only. So what we were doing previously, if I say dog is equals to dog, and if I just right now print the method a dog dot make sound, and similarly I can create cat is equals to cat, and I can just say that cat dot make sound, and close it by parenthesis. So I will be getting two printed values. See, I'm getting the sound of the animal is who, the sound of the animal is mew. Now what I mean here is, what I will be doing here is, we have to include the abstraction part here. So first of all, we have to import from abc, import abc class, and also import abstract method. So also just import abstract method, like we have done, like we already did in our previous tutorial, previous class, where we abstracted abc class and also abstracted the abstract method. Now without abstracting this, we cannot just include our abstraction, so we have to import these two. And after this, what I am gonna do here is, we have to make this make sound an abstraction class, sorry, method. So we have to make this an abstraction method. So to do that, what we will be doing here is, we will be just simply writing at the rate abstract method. And right now, if I run it again, it will be just again showing me the same values. As you can see, it will be showing me the same values again. But to include abstraction, we only not have to just put it like this, we also put it like this. We have to also inherit animal from abc class. And right now, if I print, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to just inherit this this abc class into our animal class. So we have to include means we have to include this abc class into our parent class, and then after that, we have to put abstract at the abstract method, and inside that we have to write the method we want to make an abstract method. All right, so after doing this, if I run this code now, it will be not running. All right, so no, it will run because we have created make sound method already. What if I just do not create this method, these two methods, for a while? If I do not create these two methods, and try to create another method. Let's say I have a method called def walk, and I say that self, and if I just print the animal is walking. What if I do it like this and try to run the code again? You can see that I am getting an error. It's saying that expected an indented block after a class ended in 930. So yeah, I have done something like this. So I can just the problem coming here is that I haven't put the code inside my class of cat here. So right now, if I run this, it will be showing me an error which will be saying that can't instantiate abstract class doc with abstract method make sound. So which means that we have to include this this method, which means that we have to include this method of abstract class which is named as make sound inside our child classes. So we have to include this method inside our child classes. So this is a check, that which means that we have to include this method inside our child classes. So without including this, we cannot run any method. So as you can see that while we are running this code, we are not able to run. But if I remove this abc from here for a while, and also removing this, you will be seeing that I will be able to run the code. See, I'm able to run the code. But when I'm just not when I'm just including this method at the abstract method, then also I will be able to run the code. You can see I am able to run the code. But when I am just inheriting abc into our animal class and try to run it, it will be showing me an error saying that can't instantiate abstract class doc with abstract method make sound. So this is what we have to do. So what we have to do, we have to first of all just write ABC inside the parent class, inside the parenthesis of the parent class, and after that we have to just write enter the abstract method above the method which you want to make an abstract. So after that we have put a check that we have to create this make sound inside the child class. So this is a necessary class which we have to create. This is a necessary method which we have to create. So we can write this is a needed method to run the code. So this make sound method is a needed method to run the code. Similarly here also it will be needed. Now right now if I run the code, it will not be able to run again. Why? Because we haven't changed it for our cat class. So we have to change it for cat class too. Alright, so if I run this code now, it will be able to run. So this is what the abstraction part comes here. So this will allow us to make the code abstract. Abstract mean hidden. This is hidden part. This abstract class is hidden, but these two classes which we have created, so this is, these two classes are concrete and a concrete class, and this is also a concrete class. But this part is not an is not concrete, it's abstract, which means it's hidden. Alright, so this is what's the difference between concrete class and abstract class. Abstract class are hidden class and concrete class are not hidden class. So after that we have to show how does a Python's ABC module contribute to abstraction. Give an example of using the ABC class. So we have done all the parts, and this is what we have to do in the question. After doing this, we have finished our question on day 71. I hope you have understood the part of the abstraction here and how does it contribute to the security check, you can say, or you can just say simply check that how does it contribute to object-oriented programming and how it is important to learn about abstraction. And in the further tutorial, in the upcoming tutorial, we will be doing more question based on abstraction, and we will be discussing about this topic more and more, and in more detail we will be discussing in the further tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Thank you guys for watching the video, and see you next time.